Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this tutorial I'm going to quickly show you how to add Klarna to Apple Pay. So let's get into the video. So firstly open up Klarna. So let me open up Klarna. So once I've opened up Klarna here, so what you're going to do, you're going to so open up Klarna. So I'm just opening up Klarna, and then once I've opened up here, so what you can do if you want to add Klarna to Apple Pay, you can simply add your Klarna digital card to Apple Pay. So for example, so if you have your digital card here, so for example, let me access to my card. So um, okay, so this is my one time my digital Klarna card. So for example, so here, okay, so this is my card here. So what I'm going to do here simply, so what I'm going to do, so I have my digital card here. So if I want to add this to my Apple Pay, all I have to do simply do is just on underneath your card you will see the option called to add to Google Pay. Like since I'm if you're using Android, it will be Google Pay, as that's why it's mine is Google Pay. But if you're using an iPhone or on Apple, so you will see Apple Pay. So all you have to do is just tap on add to Apple Pay. So once you tap on Apple Pay, your card will be automatically added to your Apple Pay. So that's pretty much it is. So it's pretty easy. Hope this information is helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.